Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to prompt ChatGPT for a video script. For that, first of all navigate to any browser on your PC and after that go to chat.openai.com. Log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, you'll have to just enter this prompt, the one you're seeing on the screen. So make sure you know what is the topic, target audience and the platform you're going to post your video on. Here, you'll have to just write generate a script for a YouTube video. So my video is going to be published on YouTube. So I'm writing YouTube video. You can also write Instagram or any other social media platforms. Now, you'll have to write the topic of your video. So the topic of my video will be tech tutorial aimed at. Now enter the target audience. And here you'll have to now enter the tone of your video. So the tone and style of my video will be informative, emphasizing, and if you want to provide a specific point or theme, you can write that. For example, I want to provide the theme that is solving Insta's cash problem. And if you want to include any sections, include those sections in this aspect 1, aspect 2 and aspect 3 section. I don't want to include any sections, so I will remove it and click on this send message. Now as you can see, ChatGPT has generated an informative video script on my given theme and video topic. So just go to your message bar and type this prompt and ChatGPT will generate a video script for you. And if you want a simpler version of that prompt, you'll have to just go to your ChatGPT's open new chat and type in generate a video script on the topic dash. Now enter your topic here, how to solve Insta message not sending problem, and ChatGPT will generate a video script on the topic that you just given in the prompt. So that's how you prompt ChatGPT for a video script. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.